Hi and welcome back to Vine Street Studios. I'm Charlie McGowan. This is a reminder about our blog tomorrow evening at 8 p.m, Mother's Day. Now, that may present a problem, we're not sure yet. There's a lot of pressure for Mother's Day because there's this mother, that mother, the other mother, lots of mothers. And I'm sure you guys will be tied up doing Mother's Day also. Anyway, if there's any chance that we can go live and post the video, we certainly will do that. And if you can make it, we'd appreciate it and look forward to your comments and questions. Last week, there was another technical issue. We're just two older guys just trying to have fun. So don't forget to tune in if you can at 8 p.m. Sunday evening. And let's see what's happening on the Camaro front. We look forward to seeing you then. Bye for now.